Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI, and we've got a Indigo video. Well, I think it's that time, everyone. I think it's time to pull the rewards. It's time to pull my stability pools down. It's been a wonderful ride, but I think it's time to do something better with these funds. I got a little bit of IBTC in there, a little chump change. And I've got 982 IUSD, and we got some rewards. So we're going to go ahead and pull. Let's go ahead and pull rewards. Let's do that, I guess. Do I have any indie staking rewards? Nothing. Dang near nothing. 5 ADA. I'll pull that. Yeah, let's claim that. If I can get my password right, jeez. All right, so that's withdrawn. And I can do a claim all here. So I gotta, let's do that. 9 indie for 50.50 ADA. Let's do that. Another transaction. So we're just going to pull rewards. Stake. No, I don't want to do that. So we're pending there. Got my indie. Wait. It canceled the transaction? If that's so, that's lame. It's going to force me to stake the indie, and if I don't, it cancels the transaction? That would be super lame. If that was the case. I hope that's not the case. Okay, maybe it's not. Maybe I got it. Guess I can check and make sure. I'll check using my my wallet here. +9. I think I got him. Yeah, I got him. All right, let's pull the rewards from here. 1 ADA. Come on, man. Just robbing me. Win our IBTC rewards. And then I'll withdraw the IBTC. So I've accrued a little bit of ADA already in just a little tiny bit of time. So now I want to withdraw my IBTC, all of it. And close the account. So it's going to give me my reward. Oh, man, I got to pay again. So at least I know what to do when I do the IUSD side. I can just withdraw everything and close it, and it'll pull my rewards. Jeez. And that's what I'd be talking about, this stuff. It should be easier. They should outline that. It should tell you, hey, close the account. It'll pull your rewards. Instead of making me pay fees that I don't need to pay. It's just silly. Yeah. Closed. All right. Open an account. Manage. So I'm just going to close this account. So I'm going to go to withdraw, even though I can claim like 50 something ADA. Going to go to withdraw 100%. Close the account. And it's going to give me my rewards. And I'm just going to pay 2 ADA and get my stake back. Instead of I wasted a full ADA. Kind of aggravating. Because it didn't need to happen. All right. Let's go back. Open an account. Unstaked balance. Oh, okay. Indie staking. Withdraw. Unlock. So I'm going to unlock the tokens because they were locked because I voted on something. Waiting for the network. There we go. All right. So 100%. Yeah, that's fine. Withdraw. It's taking its time. There we go. All right. Okay, deposit. I guess I didn't get it yet. There we go. 124. So I got 124. Got 124 Indy. 31.55 on ADA. So what I'm thinking, maybe sell some Indy, maybe sell all the Indy and flip the IUSD back to ADA. And then kind of figure out what I want to do. And I'll probably make a follow-up video. But this will show Indigo protocol users how to remove everything out of the protocol and kind of pull back if you want to. If you want to reset, if you want to just leave, you can do that. But I feel like it was good to see this, how to get all of your stuff out. You know, you got to remember, if you have stability pools, you need to pull your stability, stake your rewards. You need to get your Indigo staked, unstaked, and pulled. If you have LP tokens, same thing. And then there's other steps. I'll do a follow-up video where I will swap tokens to do different things. So keep it locked, hit the like, share, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.